that. Okay, if you guess this way, definitely this will be wrong. Okay, your method will be wrong. You should calculate. It can be this one can be a 6. Here it can be -8. This can be 8. This can be a 7. This can be a -7. This can be a 0. Okay, therefore there are many possibilities for you to calculate, but you cannot conclude, because of course this is a 6. Once you got the 6, immediately you cannot say, oh, rest of the things is 0. Cannot. Okay, therefore you need to attempt for all the calculation. You may wonder, you will get a lot of solutions with the different solutions. The second one I will introduce to you is, can I make it like a little bit faster? Okay, I got 30 minutes. Okay, just make it a little bit faster. Okay, I hope that you can, you already copied this. Did you manage to copy? Can, done, okay, this one. Okay, the S2 BCFG. Okay, BCFG. Okay, BCFG. Okay, look at this. BCFG. The arrow is pointing to the Y. For sure. Then the N is J. Okay, what is Y? Y equals to 3. Standard. The model calculation is the standard. Therefore, what is Fn? F dot n. F dot n is a Z. Therefore, what is a ds? ds is a dx, dz, dz. Therefore, when you start calculate this, the calculation is 2 to the 0, 2 to the 0, 1 to the 0, okay, 1 to the 0, z, okay, this is dx, dz is there. Okay, once you solve, you get a 2. You see? Something different, right? Okay, similarly, the 6 2 first earlier, suppose, okay, the next one, if you use A, B, G, H, the calculation, I leave it to you now. I hope that you can do it by one, because I prefer to teach you the more advanced example. Is you will get the solution as a 9/2, and if you pick a C, E, F, D, is a 9/2, something like that. Okay, so finally you will get the solution. You sum up, you will get the 6 as your solution. Okay, therefore in total S1 I just quickly conclude S3, okay, S4, S5, S6 equals to 6. Okay, just as a quick conclusion that I can sum up with this. Okay, this is easy question, therefore I skip that most of the things which is, I think, kind of exercise. I leave it to you. Okay, now we go to EX2. Okay, we go for another example. Okay, how long do we have? We have a one. Can I finish that? Okay, the most important, yes, I hope that I can finish. Okay, taking within 20 minutes I should be able to do it that. Okay, come. Okay, the next example that I'm going to explain this. Okay, example, is it, can you see that? Okay, example, the next example 2 is, let f equals to xi to j to k bonded, okay, bonded by plane, okay, planes z equals to 0, z equals to 4, where x equals to greater than y greater than 0, and the surface x2 plus y2 equals to 4. 4 normally is a radius is important here. In the 4, please remember I didn't write this as a 4. but I'm helping you to see this as a radius first. Okay, in the first octane. Okay, first octane. Verify. Question. Verify the divergence theorem. Okay, you are required to verify the divergence theorem. Okay, with that, okay, your requirement is to prove both. Okay, you need to prove f to the dv. V, you are required to do both as surface f to the ds. Okay, you need to separately find out. Okay, you need to find and you need to calculate. Okay, calculate. You need to find this as well. You need to do the calculation. Okay, this is to check, call, verify. Okay, that means you need to verify both. Okay, in the simple calculations, first you need to sketch. Okay, if you cannot sketch, then it's another problem. Okay, let me sketch. Sketch of this is a 2. Okay, done. This is 2. I call it this. Maybe I can change it this x and this is y, no problem. As long as don't fix your mind to say this is always, this must be x, y, something like that. But it's for convenient. Okay, we can write that. Here I can write that as a, b. Maybe okay, I fix it first. It's a purpose because it's not a purpose because I later it's not going to affect anything, but because I can verify the answer quickly. Okay, in case D C E. Okay, okay, how do we OAB is a surface 1, CDE we call it surface 2, OADE we call surface 3, OBCE we call it surface 4, ABCD we call surface 5. Wow, how many surfaces are here? Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's very difficult, to identify. I used to use like that. Okay, when I use an arrow to pointing out the surface, normally it's very difficult to identify unless you can check, verify by this. Okay, now let us start with the first, verify the del f to the dv. Okay, del f to the dv here. Okay, this is the first part that we're going to calculate. Is easy. That one is easy to calculate. Okay, because it's a but the challenge is slightly bit different. I'm going to introduce to you the del dot product with the f dv, right? When we go for that, del to the dot product the v. Okay, what is del and f? What is the dv? Okay, you need to separately able to visualize how do I calculate the v. Okay, the first thing that let us do this first. Del to the f. Okay, del to the f. Okay, this is f, right? Your f. Just very quickly I help you to calculate x. Okay, x is a 1 and 2 z. Okay, then the answer is 1 plus 2 z. Settle. Okay, this is very easy. Done. What about dv? How do we design the dv? Okay, in order to calculate the dv, okay, okay, dv is what is the best cylindrical? This is a cylindrical model. We're going to use the volume. Okay, volume of the cylindrical Therefore, in a simple that I used to teach you, you recollect back your knowledge back of revision knowledge, and you should able to say d theta, okay, d theta to this r, okay, small fraction of the r. Therefore, this is a dr. I call it this is a dr. Okay, but you in a total, if you want to calculate the circumference of this is a r to the d theta. If I pulled out bit, okay, it's a straight, right? This is a, you can see the value of every single value of this, okay, is a the surface of a b c d. Then you can see this is a dz, okay. And what about the inside that we are moving inside here? If we go segment by segment, we get a dr. Okay, therefore the dv can be explained as r d theta, r d theta, dr dz. Okay, can or not? Can. And what about the x? X is a r cos theta, and y equals to r sine theta, and z equals to z. Okay, can. Okay, now can we calculate? If we calculate that, okay, combine, this time, most of the time I leave it to you to calculate, because I'm not going to show every single work of the integration. Okay, I will provide the answer and I want you all to try. Okay, this is a kind of homework kind of things. You need more practices to solve, okay, whereby you get a 20 pi. Try and see. 20 pi. I'm going to show you how to calculate the portions of everything, because the question is verify, right? Therefore, I need to show all the other surfaces one by one. Is it possible? This is very straightforward. Okay. Some of you may ask, sir, I didn't get it. Where do you get this? Okay. Okay. I will explain this part again. Okay. What is d theta? Look at this. Theta is a 90 pi over 2, right? That one you can see. Can you? Okay. This is a pi. D theta. Okay. What is the dr? Dr is 2. 2 to 0. What is the dz? Dz is a this is highest is a z equals to 4. How do I know? Look at this question here. Planes z to 0, z to the 4. Okay, therefore when they create this design, okay, we know the highest point that it can reach is the z can be a 4. Okay, in this case is the theta is pi over 2 because it's a 90 degree. Okay, therefore the range we managed to identify, and we can calculate this and you get a 25. Okay, now let me start step by step. Okay, first I'm going to calculate step by step every single of this, but not all, simple, but just say first one. Shall we start with the OAB? OAB. Okay, now simple question to ask you. Okay, for the OAB, can you guess what is the row of this, the normal point of this? Normal point is outside, it's a negative k. Can you see that? Negative k. Okay, now let me start with this. Okay, I've got 10 more minutes. Okay, exactly, I can finish this question within that. That's good. Okay, z equals to 0 and equals to k at this particular point. Can you agree with me? Okay, z equals to 0 here, and this is pointing below. Okay, negative k. Then what is the fn? Okay, f dot n is a z2, which is z is equals to 0. Wow, easy. The first one solved already. Okay, good. At least we can solve this very fast bit. Okay, next one is CDE. Okay, CD is S2. Okay, CD is S2, and what is that? CDE. Okay, CDE. Okay, CDE is on the top. Okay, Z equals to 4, and the arrow is pointing up, is equal to the K, right? Okay, no problem. You can find out. That means Z equals to 4, N equals to K, and F dot N product is a Z2 is a 16. Okay, we're going to calculate. And what about the DS? The DS is a R. This is very important. I need to show you. Okay, how to find the DS? We are interested on this top, right? Okay, if you wanted to find out this top, okay, dr d theta. We need to use dr d theta and move in. Okay, therefore your calculation of this is a d theta dr, and therefore your calculation will be for the in this particular case is a 16 r d theta dr. Okay, what is the r is a r dr is a 2 to the 0, and d theta is a 5 over 2 to the 0. Okay, and I hope that you can calculate this as well. I give it to you, the answer. I leave it to you to solve this problem. Okay, if the problem is complex, I help you to do, but I hope that you can do it this. Okay, okay, now this part done. Okay, now let me go to the I hope that you can calculate for the rest also, but the most difficult, I wish I can teach you that part. Okay, we already done this, and what else suppose I need to cover? Okay, I'll cover the okay, maybe I'll try to teach you one more, which is say AODE. Maybe I'll go for this one. It's easy one. Okay, ADE, which is a S3. Okay? Oh, this one is student. Okay, SE here is a, okay, you can see that's a pointing outside, which is negative J. That means it's a N equals to negative J. And what is the point that you supposed to know here is a Y equals to 0 at that particular point. Okay, can you see that? Y equals to 0 at this. And what is the ds? Ds is a dx and dz. Okay, that means ds is a, it can be a dx dz. Okay, now can we calculate that? Okay, if we use to calculate that, okay, in this particular case S3 is a 2. Okay, I forgot to calculate the f dot n. Okay, fn, what we are getting here. Okay, fn, okay, f to the n j, negative j is a, look at this, j is a 2. Okay, we get a 2, negative 2f. Okay, negative 2. Okay, negative 2. Yeah, here 2x. Okay, f is this. Okay, I just let you know this is xi to j z to k dot with the negative j. Okay, you calculate only this portion, then you get a dx dz. Okay, can you see that? Okay, and what is the size of fix? Actually, dz is a x highest is a standard only. This is a standard. Okay, 2 to 2 to inside 2 to 0, dz is a 4 to 0. Hopefully you can calculate that. Okay, hopefully you can calculate that. I will do it then. Okay, the next one. Okay, similarly I'll go a little bit faster. Okay, 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes, then I hope that I can finish the that important one, which is S5. Okay, what is else that what else? A, B, C, D. The challenge is A, B, C, D. Okay, O, B, C, E. O, B, C, E. Am I having a O, B, C, E here? No, O, B, C, E lah. Okay, I see. Okay, O, B, C, E. Okay, it's a S4. Okay, O, B, C, E is a S4. Okay, how to calculate O, B, C, E? This one, O, B, C, E, arrow pointing to the negative I. Okay, therefore n equals to negative I, and over there x equals to 0, and what is f dot with the end product? Okay, f dot with the end is x okay, end product. Okay, the end product of this is f to the I. F to the I is x. Okay, and since it's x is a 0, then you will get 0. Okay, that means it's S4 is equals to 0. Okay, not. Okay, why 0? Since we know is a 0, then it's immediately you will get 0. This is a negative x. Okay, negative x, you will get 0. Okay, easy, done. Okay, the last one is the most important, and once we're done, okay, that's the challenging one. Okay, the important one is A, B, C, D. I hope that I can finish. Don't move these papers. Okay, here is A, B, C, D, which is S5. S5. Okay, altogether it's a 5. I also. Okay, S5. Yeah, it's a 6. You need to go, but anyway, I already given the answer. No problem. Then we work on the step by step. Okay, we need to go. Yes, exactly. We want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That answer is supposed to be 20 pi. You don't need to worry about the answer. Answer I already given. You just your task is just to verify only. Okay, 20 pi is our answer. Okay, but I'm going to show you one important one. This S5 is another solution that which you're going to see. Okay, S5 is not a common surface, which is you can see easily it's not a smooth surface. Okay, it's not a smooth surface. It's not a smooth surface, therefore we need to calculate this one. F equals to x2 plus x plus y 4 is 0. Okay, what is n? N is del f. Okay, n is del f. Okay, del f, and because the surface is not good to write, I just use this. Okay, okay, del f is, can I make it a little bit bigger? Okay, this is important anyway. Therefore del f can be calculated as, you can see it's a 2x I plus 2yj, and similarly you can do this 2 taken out, because it's a 2, then its power is taken out, and x2 plus y, and y is basically is 4. Therefore you will get here xi plus yj divided by the 2. Okay, done. Okay, it's clear. Now can I do f dot product with the end? What I'll get? Okay, when I perform that, okay, I'll get a xi plus 2j plus z2 to the k and dot product with the end here, xi yj divided with the 2. Okay, which in this case I will get as x2 plus 2y2. Okay, and since we know we're going to calculate the cylindrical surface, okay, remember, okay, I got a cylindrical surface here. Okay, we just tear it off, it will be a kind of rectangle. Can you see this become a rectangle? Okay, this become a rectangle, but we're going to use it, okay, instead we're going to use the actual calculation of this. And the best part of this is a ds to calculate is a r d theta dz. Okay, r d theta. Since r is not involved part of this, therefore I call it this is a 2 d theta dz. Since we're going to use d theta and do dz to calculate this, remember, why am I, okay, the first question everybody will ask this. So, why am I using, I didn't use dr. We are not moving inside, we are interested only the surface. Okay, you look at this. Can I find out what is this? Okay, look at this one alone. You look at this alone, this portion alone. Okay, this portion alone, you're able to understand this part. Oh, it's not properly placed, huh? Okay, I think. Okay, look at this one. A, B, D, C. Okay, this one basically the surface is a. This surface can be calculated as a r d theta. Can you agree with me? Then this is a dz. Therefore, the whole thing here, okay, is to be calculated this way. Therefore, this is a 2 theta. Then, okay, x, we just combine everything. This one you need to convert into x is a 2 cos theta and y equals to 2 sin theta. And overall, you need to place that inside here. Therefore, the S5, okay, can you see that my work? S5 can be calculated as F and ds, whereby 2 is basically is this one. Okay, combine with this, okay, which is this one is actually, suppose I need to write it as a 2 cos 2 theta plus 2, okay, okay, 2 sin theta divide with the 2. Okay, can you see it's a cancel off, you get a cos something only, right? Therefore it's easy here that I just say cos 2 theta minus sin theta, okay, 2 d theta dz. Okay, and what is that? Pi, the range is 0 and 4 to the 0. Why so 4? Is it 4 to 0 or 2 to 0? Theta. Z is a 4, huh? Remember, z is a 4. Okay, z is a 4. Therefore, 4 to the 0, pi over 2, 0, 2. Can I calculate this? Yes. But I'll give you the answer. 16. Okay. Why am I getting here 2? That additional 2, that am I taken out here? Let me check here. 2 divide. Yeah, this is supposed to be power 2, right? Sorry, yeah. This is power 2. This is 2y. There is a 2 again. Okay, that means it's cut. There are 2 inside. Yeah, correct lah. The answer is correct. Okay, because it's power 2. 2 cos. Okay, theta. This is 2 sin theta. Therefore, I cut it off. The value of this, you will get a 4. Here also you will get 2, 2, 4. Okay, that means it's a 4. This is 4. That means when you try to bring it out here, this, it will be sign. Okay, that is mathematically correct. Okay, mathematically correct. Then this is okay. You try to solve, then you get it this as your solutions. Okay, try to solve and see. Okay, try to solve. Simple mathematics, but technically it's quite long. Okay, with that combination, if you start solving every one of the surface integral, you will get the solution. I leave it to you for the solving this problem. Okay, but remember the overall solution is, okay, the overall solution is 20 pi. Okay, there the okay, f to the dv solution is 20 pi. That means your S1, S2, S3 all should produce the same. Okay, you try to see, you calculate and see, then you will get S4. Okay, S5, you supposed to get a 25. Okay, try and see. Okay, with that I got one more example for the divergence, but the big challenge is, okay, this one is a little bit lengthy, therefore I would like to spend some time with that for the calculations. Okay, we'll take a rest, then we continue with that later. Okay, thank you very much.